colourful splash. Our first colour is green. Colourful, isn't it? Now, let's identify the colour green in this picture. Great! Now let's move to the next colour. Meet the colour red. Look at this picture. Can you spot something red? A clue for you. It's on a chair and it's a pillow. Yellow. As the sun and a banana. Can you spot a yellow t-shirt here? Sure you can. Correct. Next is the colour blue. It's a really cool colour. These cars look shiny. Can you spot the colour blue? Great job! Did you know that when we combine the colour red and yellow, we get the colour orange? Nice shoelaces. Which is orange? Correct. Lovely colour purple we have here. Can you spot any purple object in this picture? Well done! Here's the colour black. Really bold, right? Can you spot a black shoe here? Wonderful! Pink. Such a lovely colour and bright too. See anything pink here that looks yummy? Correct. This is the colour brown. Can you think of any brown object? Chocolate. Yummy. What's brown in this picture? Well done. It's a coffee mug. Can you guess what colour this is? It's grey. Just like an elephant. Spot anything grey too? It's a key holder. Our final colour here is white. A bright colour it is and easy to spot. Do you see the colour white? Great! It's a flower pot. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share.